How to enable high performance mode in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can enable the high performance mode in your Windows 11 computer system. So enabling the high performance mode in Windows is fairly very easy. So all you need to do is simply follow the easy steps listed out in this video. So the first thing that we need to do in order to enable the high performance mode is to head on to the settings of our Windows PC. So to head on to the settings, simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and once the taskbar appears, you need to right click onto this start button. So after right clicking onto the start button, this menu will appear, and from here you need to choose the settings option, and this will lead you to the settings of your Windows computer. Now here under the settings, you can see these tabs right here on the left hand side of the window. Now from here you need to choose the system tab. This will open all of the system settings in your PC. So from here you can see this option that says power and battery. This includes the setting for screen and sleep, battery usage, power mode, and energy saver. So click onto the power and battery option and you will be landed into this page. Now the next thing in this page that you are required to do is you can see this second option that says power mode. It says optimize your device based on power use and performance. So from here, as you can see that currently it is set to best performance. So that means the high performance mode is enabled and the system will automatically optimize itself to produce best performance even if it costs more power or battery usage. So if you want to change it, you can simply click onto this drop down arrow, and here you can see that you have two plans. The first plan is when the system is plugged in. That means since currently I am using a laptop, so that is why it is showing me these two options. In the first option it says when my laptop is plugged in, that means my laptop is charging or receiving direct current from the plug, and then it is on battery. That means when no external power is being supplied to my computer system. So I have selected that whenever my laptop is plugged in, it should automatically enable the best performance, and whenever it is on battery, it should be more power efficient. That means it should be low powered. You have three of these options, and most of the people decide to choose balanced for both of these conditions, as if you will choose balance, it will produce a mix of both the performance as well as the decent battery backup for your Windows system. So from here, if you want pure performance even during when the laptop is plugged in or on battery, then you can simply click onto this drop down arrow and choose best performance for both of these plans. So that's how easily you can enable the performance mode for your Windows 11 computer system. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.